Hey guys, I'm gonna be painting Captain America today. I taped up the sides because I like to have a clean border, and I thoroughly wet the paper. Make sure your colors are very watery too for this. I used primary red opaque. I wanted to test it out. I don't like opaque colors, but I wanted to see how they would mix with the translucent colors. I used 3 different blues: intense blue, cerulean blue, and Parisian blue. I don't know if I'm pronouncing those correctly. I dipped the brush in paint and flicked it to get some spots in some areas. And I added alcohol on top to separate the colors a bit and get a cool effect. So I wanted more intense colors, so I added a few drops of acrylic inks. Looking back, I added too much of everything, too much paint. Next time I'll use less paint. I use a dry brush to move the paint around. And right here, I drew Captain America with a pencil. Here I'm using a Pitt pen to go over it and make the lines dark. And lastly, I used a dark blue marker just to shade it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you're familiar with this type of watercolor techniques, with these types, drop a comment. Let me know how I can improve. I messed up on this really badly and I didn't like how it turned out. I think I used too much colors on it and it just looks muddy to me.